a lot of the changes in these brain structures occurs after learning during deep sleep, in particular slow wave sleep. But it also occurs during periods of naps and shallow sleep, or even just periods where people deliberately decompress, where they're not focusing on any one thing in particular. So if we were going to kind of operationalize this process, it would be focus intensely, have an intense period of urgency, and then access the deepest rest you can, where you're not thinking about anything, where space and time becomes very fluid.
So stress in that case, post-exercise or learning session, would actually hinder your ability to grow and get better.
Absolutely. And elite performers, like elite military, elite athletes, I'm sure you're familiar with this, they understand that the ability to toggle back and forth between these high alert, high attentional states and deep rest is not just the key to performing what you can already do, it's also the ability to get better over time.